Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am so excited. Welcome to Vlogmas day 2. This is gonna be my Ipsy choice video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like if you did, and let's get on started with this video. So let's start with the products that Ipsy chose for me. So the first product is the Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. I'm scared, okay? I've heard good and bad things about this, so I'm not sure until I try it for myself. The next product that Ipsy chose for me is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. Definitely not my favorite palette from Ciate, and I already got rid of this once. So it seems like I'm gonna have to get rid of it again, and I love that for me. It definitely doesn't spark much joy or much interest. It's definitely one of those that just is kind of boring. The pan waves are nice, but that's it. The packaging looks cheap, the palette looks cheap, and the formula doesn't really look very, you know, expensive. So I'm just kind of underwhelmed with this palette, so hopefully when I get it, it's something different, but I don't think so. I think it's the same palette that I got rid of like years ago from BoxyCharm. But anyway, let's get on to my choices. For my first product, I have the Farah All Glammed Up Sponge Set. I have the Truly Beauty Matcha Face Scrub. I have the Complex Culture Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. I have the Organic Pharmacy Honey Jasmine Mask. I have the Act and Acre Intelligent Head Towel. And I have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Healthy Hair Perfector. Can we guess what I chose for my first product category? I'll give you a sec. If you said Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Healthy Hair Perfector, you are correct. That's what I chose for my first product in my Ipsy. As you can see, I have long hair, and it's not really the healthiest because I don't really take care of my hair too much. Granted, I don't really use heat on my hair too often, and I do dye it, but like this part gets cut pretty often, so I don't really have any issues with my bang area. Is it a bang area? I don't really know what it's called. But this really caught my attention, so I'm excited to try it. And it definitely had a nice value to it too. I think it was like a $30 value. So let's get into the second choice product category. I have the Lifestyle Co. Mood Perfume. I have the Shades by Shan Blush Palette. I have the Tarte Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner in Taupe. I have the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. I have the Makeup of the Day Cosmetics Party of 2 Duo Ended Face Brush Set. And I have the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. Now, I really like the blush palette. It was something that really caught my interest, but they put the liner and the shadow stick in the same category, which I figured they would do because they love to do this. Also, the Kinship lip mask also seemed like a product that I would really enjoy, but I of course chose the Tarte Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner in Taupe. I have a ton of blushes. I would have chosen the blush palette if I didn't have a ton of blushes, because these blushes look stunning. They look beautiful, and the color choices are perfect for blush. But I went with the shadow stick and the liner because I don't really have that in my collection too much. I have shadow sticks, but I don't have like any wearable colors in shadow sticks, so I figured this would be a very nice addition to my collection instead of just choosing the blush palette. Also, the perfume also caught my attention. Like when I first saw it, I was like, ooh, perfume, because I gravitate towards that. However, it's like a floral jasmine scented, you know, perfume, and for me I'm not really into that too much. But you know, the Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara is a great mascara, but I don't really need mascara either, so I kind of skipped over that category. I got a mascara in my last bag, like my last glam bag, not my ex, my last glam bag. But yes, that's what I chose. It's alright. Not the best choice options so far. I definitely didn't like my first choice category at all, so I chose what I thought I would enjoy the most. And then my third choice options, we have the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow in Dusty Lav, the Cap Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Tangled, the Feelist Juice Shot Exfoliating Facial Polish, the Makeup of the Day Cosmetics Manifest Face Brush Set, the Petchology Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Mask, and the Pink Lips Cosmetics Soft Matte primer. So I actually do have a Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow that I got on my BoxyCharm. This one's in the shade Rose Quartz and it's actually very pretty, so this was an option for me to choose. My issue is that I don't use it. I don't use it even though it is pretty stunning. This one is beautiful, but it's just sitting in my drawer and I don't really use it, even though I should use it because it's very pretty. I don't use it enough to waste a choice on it. The Cab Cosmetics lip gloss. I personally have a lot of lip gloss that I need to go through and I don't use because I prefer a more matte lip. Even though I do like a glossy lip every now and then, I just find myself gravitating more towards a matte lip recently. I don't like exfoliating my face, which is why I didn't choose the Truly Beauty or this V-List. I already have the Makeup of the Day Cosmetics Manifest face brush set that I did get in an Ipsy, so this is like a repeat for me, which I wasn't gonna choose. But the handles on these, like, so pretty. Perfect for December, I think. Like a perfect little, if you like get these brushes, it would be like a nice little gift to give, you know. And then we have a soft matte primer, which I have dry skin. I don't know how I feel about a soft matte primer. I don't know. But I chose these sheet masks. I figured, you know, December is my birthday month and Christmas is coming. I'm doing Vlogmas, so it's a lot piled on. Might as well have some sheet masks that I can use to like relax after a long day with my little wine, because it's like a rosé themed mask, you know. So those were my choices and that is basically my bag. It says my bag is worth $221. Not horrible, not the best. I'm definitely a little underwhelmed, but I also have another option of choices from my girl Genevieve. Thank you so much for sharing. I love when I get to see her choices because I love how they are different from mine. So Ipsy chose for her the same Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette and the Alley Oop Stack the Odds in Sassy Pants. I am so tired of seeing Alley Oop Stack the Odds in here. Where is it? I have it somewhere. This is a different shade, but this is essentially what it is. You get a blush, bronzer, and a highlighter all in one little stacky stack. I like the blush. I didn't like the bronzer or the highlight. The blush is nice, but I also find myself not using that product. Even if the blush is pretty nice, I still don't really use it. Her first choice options featured the Living Proof Perfect Hair Healthy Hair Perfector. That's kind of like a tongue twister. The Farrah All Glammed Up Sponge Set. The Acton Acre Intelligent Head Towel. The Complex Culture Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. The Organic Pharmacy Honey Jasmine Mask. The Violet Voss Olive You Forever Palette. She chose the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette, which I would have chosen as well. Love Violet Voss. This is so cute. This is so cute. I think she's gonna love this. I love anything from Violet Voss because I have a soft spot for them in my heart, because I got a Violet Voss palette for my birthday from my boyfriend the first year we were together, and it's just like a little soft spot in my heart, you know? Do you guys have anything like that? I do. So for her second product category, she got the Tarte Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow Liner. I believe this is in the shade Taupe, but I'm not sure. She also got the Shades by Shan Blush Palette, the Makeup of the Day Party of Two Dual Ended Face Brush Set, the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask, Something Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing, I don't know, and the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Length and Defining Mascara. Genevieve, she chose the Shades by Shan Blush Palette, which is not a bad option, and I think she's gonna love it. It's a beautiful color story for a blush palette. I love the shades in here. So pretty, stunning. I love it. And I feel like the choices are quite similar, minus like one or two items. And for the third product choices, she had the Pink Lips Cosmetics Soft Matte Primer, the Ciate London Glow to Highlighter in Starburst, a Farrah Palm Brush, Soleil Miracle Protector Spray, a Complex Culture Sunbathe Baked Bronzer in Play, and the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow in Dusty Lavender. And she actually chose the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow in Dusty Lavender, which I think she's gonna love. It's such a pretty color. I love lavender, obviously. I love purple. Purple is my favorite color, so I feel like she's gonna really like this. Also, the bronzer from Complex Culture is actually really nice. I have this Complex Culture highlight and bronzing palette, and I believe the shade Play is in here. This is the shade Play right here. Very nice. The highlighters in here, stunning. The bronzers, incredible, which I didn't expect from Complex Culture, but it's actually a really nice product. So her bag is worth $148. Personally, I feel about the same of her bag as I do my bag. Like, I feel like there are some good things, but the majority of it, like the products they chose, underwhelming and not as exciting as other bags I've received in the past. But I'm hoping for good things, you know. I'm hoping for good things when they come. I hope you enjoyed this choice video. I hope you find this helpful. I always enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on these items. What did you get as a choice item? What did Ipsy choose for you? Let me know down below. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. And let's get on it. And you're gonna have to excuse the noise. I have company over. I didn't know we would be having company over, but this video has to be done, edited, uploaded today. So please ignore the noise as I am trying to do. Okay? I have the... Let's get into the second choice. The Shard. So Genevieve, so on her first choice option, I have this Complex Culture like blush